Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Search Console for Core Web Vitals detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the search bar Google Search Console and press enter. Click on the first search result that leads you to the Google Search Console homepage. On the homepage, locate the Start Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click Next. Next, enter your password and click Next again. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. If you haven't added your website yet, click on the Add Property button. Enter your website URL in the designated field and click Continue. Select the verification method you prefer, such as HTML. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen verification method. After verifying your ownership of the website, return to the Google Search Console dashboard. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Core Web Vitals. Here, you will find insights regarding your website's performance. Review the data presented to identify performance issues and improvement opportunities. Make note of any specific URLs that require attention. Use this information to optimize your website for better performance. Continuously monitor your Core Web Vitals through Search Console for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.